Hello and welcome to my channel where we are making a gourmet tasting dessert using a box mix. And today we are making a delicious no-bake chocolate orange cheesecake, so stick around while we make something boxed but better. In a microwave-safe bowl, we are going to add a half cup of milk chocolate chips and 2 tablespoons of milk, and we are going to heat that in the microwave, stirring every 10 seconds until it is melted. Then add 1 small box of instant chocolate pudding mix and 1 cup of milk. Mix this on a medium to high speed with your hand mixer until your ingredients become well incorporated. Your chocolate mixture will be thick and creamy when it is done. Next, add 1 8-ounce block of room temperature cream cheese and 1 teaspoon of orange extract. Mix this together for about 3 minutes until everything becomes creamy and well incorporated. Today has been one of the coldest days in a decade, so my cream cheese, even though it was at room temperature, was still pretty cold. This meant there were small lumps of cream cheese in my batter. To fix this, I microwaved my batter for 30 seconds. Then I continued mixing, and as you can see here, it came out perfectly smooth. For my pie crust, I'm using a pre-made chocolate pie crust. You can also use something like Oreo cookies or really whatever you would like. Spoon your cheesecake batter into your pie crust, and then with your spatula, give it a general smooth out. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then place it in the refrigerator while we do our chocolate ganache. In a microwave-safe bowl, add a half cup of chocolate chips and 4 tablespoons of butter, and heat in the microwave, stirring every 10 seconds until completely melted. Pour your chocolate ganache on top of your cheesecake. Gently tilt your cheesecake from side to side to spread out your ganache. Then use your spatula to gently coax the chocolate to any edges that it may not have covered on its own. After that, cover your cheesecake and put it in your refrigerator overnight or for at least 2 to 3 hours to chill before serving. And here's a slice of what my practice cheesecake looked like, since I know a lot of you like to see what's on the inside. And there we have it, our delicious no-bake chocolate orange cheesecake. Thank you for joining me. I had fun, and I hope you did too. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I will do my best to answer them. And I will see you next time on Boxed But Better with Jenna. We are going to do this. Well, that worked out great.